I feel like we are actually better protected. I feel very comfortable with the structure we're able to work out and what we put together for that. I think also importantly, just the peace of mind we have that it's not something I worry about throughout the year as I used to for a period of several years. I think I initially contacted you in 2022 and started everything in 2023. We had a few properties at that point, just looking for something beyond just the basic insurance on those properties, but something more to protect the equity that was growing in those properties as well. We had 3 single family rentals that we were managing through property managers. We planned to add a fourth very shortly after. I think we had our first conversations, and we had a handful of other real estate syndication investments that we've been making over the past several years as well. Before, everything was just held in my name personally, or my wife and I's name together as a couple, but there was no other asset protection kind of structure we had implemented prior to working with you. So we were a little bit concerned about, as our equity was growing in several of these rental properties we were beginning to own, about sort of a protection against maybe say frivolous lawsuits or something like that could potentially endanger the equity that we built up in these properties. I think, again, your website offered some good information. I feel like, again, just some of the resources, more of the educational materials that might have been pointed to. I think for me, one of the largest things that was beneficial early in the process was just the educational materials about how the structures work, how they fit in with one another, what some of the different legal terms meant, and some of the reasons why you prefer the certain types of like Series LLC structures that you do, for example. Royal Legal definitely lessens that concern, certainly makes it more intelligible and easier to understand what we're working with and how everything fits together. Yeah, I feel very comfortable with the structure we're able to work out and what we put together for that. By addressing the main concerns I had, the peace of mind, and then also, again, feeling like we have an extra layer of security on those assets that we have, that they're both potentially harder for somebody to target. Overall, I'm happy so far with everybody I've worked with. Certainly no concerns. I feel like it's been a pretty seamless, straightforward process from start to finish, which was good. That was part of what I was looking for as well when I was looking at Royal Legal, was a streamlined customer experience, which I feel like I got. They, basically hold your hand through the process and walked you through, made sure that I had, everything submitted I needed to make the process go well. And it did. It worked out as I was hoping it would with that.